got loads of paint on here. Look at that. I'm just going to go for it. Somewhere around there. It's too late now. It's there. I really don't want to muff this up now. Let's have him come to about there. So we go. Oh, that's a big wide one. Okay, should we make him a little bit taller in the middle? Just a touch. There we go. Right, let's add some. I got some yellow and some black, obviously, that I've just used. Got some yellow here. Let's use a touch of black. And it makes green. Let's add a bit of. Let's nick a bit of this up here. Yeah, that's quite nice. Maybe just a bit darker. Do-do-do-do. Yeah, that'll be okay. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so let's put some highlights on the cactuses. Let's go. I'm just literally tapping this on. This should help it make it look round. So does anyone in here do art? I know some of you said that you give it a go. I'm so glad that I'm doing it though, because it really does relax me. I come in here and I don't even know what, you know, the world could be upside down for all I know, and I'll be in here painting my paintings. Okay, so that helps, that gives a little glisten on that side. KB, not at all, but you seem really good. Oh, thank you so much. Nice, thanks for commenting as well. Yeah, I've been a paint and decorator all my life. I've always been interested in art, DIY, that kind of thing. This one over here is going to have some on the top. And let's just read the comments. Phil, I like minted lamb but wouldn't put mint sauce on anything. Georgia, I do love watching your videos before sleeping, they're so relaxing. Thank you so much, I'm glad I can help you relax. Because it's important to relax. And I find, you know, I said the other night, when I edit these videos and put them up on YouTube, when I'm editing, I find myself watching myself. You can't actually see me, but I find myself just watching, it doesn't matter, any painting, and then it takes me ages to, you know, edit the videos. Maybe there's a little bit in there just caught. And in this one, it'll be on this side. Just a little bit of light in there. Or I caught a little bit of too much there. Just touching. That's better. And then a bit more on the top there.